Hi, this is Aaron Koning from Safe Software. In this video, I'd like to talk about the additional value FME Desktop users can realize if they purchase FME Server. So underneath both Desktop and FME Server is the FME platform or the technology there, and it's well known for powering the flow of spatial data. So whether you're on desktop or server, you're going to get the best data format support, really good data transformation capabilities, and you're going to realize all the time savings, better results, and less stress because you don't have to do more menial tasks. So that you get that with FME platform in general. With desktop in particular, as you know, you get the graphical user environment workbench to create those tasks, so no coding at all, and you get the data inspection tools in case there is a problem with the data. You can check that out. Now, if you go to FME Server, you don't abandon Workbench at all. In fact, FME Workbench you still use it to author and create those workspaces or transformation tasks, and then you simply publish them to FME Server where they can then be accessed. And so what's the value in putting them on FME Server? The biggest thing is making it so you don't have to click run anymore on Workbench. So you don't have to manually run those workspaces. And that can be done by scheduling it or setting up workflows. You can share transformations so that others can self-serve. They can come to the web page and say, I want this data. Same with streaming maps. You don't have to give them the data. They can request it. And then you can run tasks on a central server. So instead of it being on your laptop, you just have it on a central server. It's always available. You can store those workspaces in that same location, and you can control who can access these workspaces, because if they're modifying your data, you will want to have security on that, and that comes standard with FME Server. So in general, FME Server has data integration, data sharing, real-time data. So these are some of the high-level pieces or capabilities of FME Server. Data integration, whether it's loading data, validating data, automating workflows. I mean, you get all of these capabilities with FME Server. Data sharing, again, distributing that data, getting it out there, allowing people to have self-serve portal for accessing information. And it's up to date too. That's a key aspect. So it doesn't it doesn't just sit on an FTP site getting moldy, if you will. And real-time data as well. You want to send alerts and notifications. Um, you want to process sensor data, high volumes. FME Server has a very modern architecture for doing that. And we call that event-driven architecture as well. And we also have a service-oriented architecture. So we got a bit of the best of both worlds there. You get high availability, so it's always running. We talked about security. You get different APIs. You get the web services to enable self-serve, scheduling, history of jobs, and you get that easy configuration with FME Workbench. So if you are looking to get started with FME Server, we've got a number of different ways for you to experience it, but feel free to email sales@safe.com to get a demo. No problem, we'll set you up with a demo. Or if you want to learn on your own, you can try the tutorial, you can download the installer, you can use an AMI, and of course you can explore more demos and videos and things like that at FMEpedia or on the FME channel on YouTube. Thank you for your time.